doing sports was a way for me to develop my personality. When I moved to Nigeria, I was very young. I was 18 years old when I got married, so I was fairly young. So after work, he would come, and then, you know, we would run together. So because of him, I became an avid runner, and because of me, he became more committed as well to running. So both of us complemented each other. When I left Nigeria, I lived in Nigeria for 23 years. When I moved to Beirut, I came back with the family, and unfortunately, a year later, the accident happened, and that was a turning point in my life. The support that runners have for each other is really incredible. Even at the most turbulent times in Lebanon, runners came from around the world to show support as well. And that's why I call the marathon runners peacemakers. They are really peacemakers. The way we connect with each other, it's comradeship. It's really beautiful.